Welcome to the top of the hill. Behind me here is the Potomac River. If it were to rain on the top of this hill, the water would flow down, picking up everything in its path. Don't believe me? Let's check it out. Alright, so as you can see, all of this grass and all this other stuff stuck to my body as I was rolling down. Just like water, when it is shed off of the land, it picks up all of this stuff until it makes its way to its end point. If I continued to roll down this hill, I would eventually end up at the Potomac River. That's why this land is part of the Potomac River watershed. This land here sheds the water into the Potomac River. Now imagine that this wasn't grass and dirt. Imagine if this was trash and other types of pollution. The water would pick it up, just like I picked up all of this grass, and move it into the Potomac River. So let's recap. Land sheds water from the highest points down to the lowest points. When we were at the top of the hill, it's like we were here on our model. And there was a little bit of pollution right where we were standing. Now when it rains, that rain carries the pollution from the hill into the river. But it's not just what happens here that affects our Potomac River. What happens everywhere in the watershed also affects the river. So if there was some pollution up here in the community and it were to rain, that pollution would carry on down into the river. Thank you for joining me today.